Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for the latest and boldest automotive releases. Today, we're diving into one of the wildest trucks Ford has ever built, the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor. This beast isn't just a truck, it's a declaration of dominance. Ford has pushed the limits once again, making it tougher, faster, and smarter than ever before. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the newest trucks, SUVs, and performance machines hitting the road. Now, let's talk about why the 2026 Raptor is causing such a stir. Ford didn't just give it a facelift, they re-engineered it to rule both the highway and the harshest trails. The new model shows off redesigned headlights, a wider and more aggressive stance, new front tow hooks, and optional Fox dual live valve shocks. These high-tech shocks adapt instantly to terrain changes, keeping the ride smooth and controlled whether you're hitting sand dunes or rocky mountain trails. Price-wise, the Raptor starts at around $81,600, and if you want the top-tier Raptor R with that legendary V8, expect to pay up to $112,725. Yes, it's pricey, but when you look at what's under the hood, it's clear Ford isn't just selling a truck, they're offering a thrill machine. The standard Raptor packs a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, churning out 450 horsepower with a 10-speed automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. It's powerful, punchy, and sounds incredible. But for the true adrenaline junkies, the Raptor R takes things to the next level. Borrowing its heart from the Shelby GT500, the supercharged 5.2-liter V8 roars to life with 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. This engine isn't just loud, it's thunderous. The acceleration is insane, and the exhaust note will turn heads long before you arrive. To handle all that muscle, both versions come equipped with advanced suspension systems, including a 5-link rear coil setup and Fox internal bypass dampers. Models with 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires get upgraded dual live valve shocks that constantly adjust rebound for max grip and control. The Raptor R gets these 37s as standard, giving it 13 inches of ground clearance, more than enough to climb, crawl, and crush obstacles with ease. Towing capacity sits at 8,700 pounds for the Raptor R and 8,200 for the V6 model, slightly less than a standard F-150, but remember, towing isn't this truck's mission. This machine is built for off-road dominance and heart-pounding performance, and in that field, it's almost unbeatable. Step inside, and the cabin makes it clear, this is not your typical work truck. It's a performance cockpit. The 12-inch digital gauge cluster, aluminum paddle shifters, and a laser-etched Raptor logo on the steering wheel give off serious racing vibes. The seats are deeply bolstered for comfort and control, and if you're craving sportier aesthetics, you can opt for Recaro bucket seats and carbon fiber trim. At the center sits a massive 12-inch touchscreen running Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and over-the-air updates. Ford wisely kept physical knobs for volume and tuning, something every driver appreciates when bouncing down a trail. For audiophiles, there's an optional 18-speaker B&O sound system, perfect for blasting your favorite tracks while tearing through the wilderness. One standout feature is the optional 2.0 kilowatt onboard generator in the bed, capable of powering tools, camping gear, or even a small setup at your off-road base camp. It's this balance of rugged adventure and smart practicality that makes the Raptor stand apart. Of course, safety and driver assist tech are loaded to the max, with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and trail control. The Raptor even includes Trail 1 pedal drive, an off-road cruise control feature that lets you tackle rough terrain smoothly at low speeds. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor isn't just an update, it's an evolution. It brings together brute strength, cutting-edge suspension, and a tech-packed luxury interior, creating one of the most capable and thrilling off-road trucks ever made. Whether you choose the twin-turbo V6 or the fire-breathing Raptor R, you're getting a truck that delivers raw excitement every time you hit the ignition. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor,